Dear students, today we are going to discuss about what is computer network. An interconnection of multiple devices, also known as OS, that are connected using multiple paths for the purpose of sending, receiving data or media. Computer network can also include multiple devices or mediums which help in the communication between two different devices. These are all known as network devices and include things such as routers, switches, hubs and bridges. What is a router? A router is a device that connects two or more packet switched networks or subnetworks. It serves two primary functions: managing traffic between these two networks by forwarding data packets to their intended IP addresses and allowing multiple devices to use the same internet connections. There are several types of routers, but most routers pass data between local area networks and wide area networks. A local area network is a group of connected devices restricted to a specific geographic area. A local area network usually requires a single router. Hub. A network hub is a device that allows multiple computers to communicate with each other over a network. It has several Ethernet ports that are used to connect two or more network devices together. Each computer or device connected to the hub can communicate with any other device connected to one of the hub's Ethernet ports. What does bridge mean? A bridge is a type of computer network device that provides interconnection with other bridge networks that use the same protocol. Bridge devices work at the data link layer of the open system interconnect model, connecting two different networks together and providing communication between them. Bridges are similar to repeaters and hubs in that they broadcast data to every node. However, bridges maintain the media access control address table as soon as they discover new segments. So, subsequent transmissions are sent only to the desired recipient. Bridges are also known as layer 2 switches. What does wireless router mean? A wireless router is the router found in a wireless local area network for home and small office network. It enables internet and local network access. Typically, the wireless router is directly connected to a wired or wireless WAN. Users connected to the wireless router are able to access the LAN as well as the external WAN, such as the internet. Depending on the capabilities of the wireless routers, it can support from a few to hundreds of simultaneous users. Moreover, most wireless routers can also function as a firewall with the ability to block, monitor and control and filter incoming and outgoing network traffic. What is a network switch? A network switch is a hardware device that connects devices on a computer network, enabling them to transfer data. What does a network switch do? Or transfer data between the devices on your home or office network. Adds more ports to an existing network so you can connect more devices. Keeps a record of the devices connected to it. So data can be routed to the correct device. Can be used as a bridge between two local networks. It sometimes has limited configuration options, typically via a web browser interface. What does wireless bridge mean? A wireless bridge is a type of networking device that enables an over-the-air connection between the two different segments of a local area network. Wireless bridges use radio signals in the microwave or laser spectrum to provide fixed wireless access. A wireless bridge, which may also be referred to as a Wi-Fi bridge, works much like a wired network bridge. They play an important role in connecting LAN segments that are logically separated or located in different physical locations. Types of networks: personal area network, local area network, wireless local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, storage area network, system area network, personal area network. A personal area network connects electronic devices within a user's immediate area. The size of PAN ranges from a few centimeters to a few meters. One of the most common real-world examples of a PAN is the connection between a Bluetooth earpiece and a smartphone. PANs can also connect laptops, tablets, printers, keyboards, and other computerized devices. PAN network connection can either be wired or wireless. Wired connection methods include USB and firewire. Wireless connection methods include Bluetooth, the most common Wi-Fi, IRDA, and Zigbee. Local area network. A LAN is a computer network that consists of access points, cables, routers, and switches that enable devices to connect to web servers and internal servers within a single building. Campus or home network and to other LANs via wide area networks or metropolitan area network. Devices on a LAN, typically personal computers and workstations, can share files and be accessed by each other over a single internet connection. Most LANs connect to the internet at a central point, a router. Home LANs often use a single router, while LANs in larger spaces may additionally use network switches for more efficient packet delivery. What does metropolitan area network mean? A metropolitan area network is similar to a local area network, but spans an entire city or campus or some other municipal or organization territory. MANs are formed by connecting multiple LANs. Thus, MANs are larger than LANs, but smaller than wide area networks that cover dispersed geographical areas, sometimes directly connecting users around the world. MANs are typically extremely efficient and can provide fast communication via high-speed carriers such as fiber optic cables. The rise of wireless and successive networking technologies, though, means a proliferation of modalities for getting signals around a greater MAN area. What does wide area network mean? A wide area network is a network that exists over a large scale geographical area, as compared to other network types such as local area network. A WAN connects different smaller networks, including local area networks and metro area networks, so that computer and users in one location can communicate with computers and users in other locations. WAN implementation can be done through either a public transmission system or a private network. What is an intranet? Intranet is a system in which multiple PCs are networked to be connected to each other. PCs in intranet are not available to the world outside of the intranet. Usually each company or organization has their own intranet network, and members or employees of that company can access the computers in their intranet. Each computer in intranet is also identified by an IP address which is unique among the computers in that intranet. What does internet mean? The internet is a globally connected network system facilitating worldwide communication and access data resources through a vast collection of private, public, business, academic and government networks. It is governed by agencies like the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority that establish universal protocols. The term Internet and World Wide Web are often used interchangeably, but they are not exactly the same thing. The Internet refers to the global communication system, including hardware and infrastructure, while the web is one of the services communicated over the internet. How does the internet work? The internet is a network created by connecting a large number of computers or computer networks. It is a type of network that cannot be owned by an entity. It is formed using networks of networks configured using complex standards and rules such as protocols. The internet works through a packet routing network following the protocols, where the packet routing is the technique of routing data packets from source computer to a destination computer. However, there are several protocols. The transmission and the internet protocols are the primary impelling agents that help build the internet network. The other common protocols used by the connected networks are HTTP, FTP and SMTP. Besides, the protocol and applications like Telnet, Gopher, www, Usenet News, Internet Relay Chat, etc. are also used throughout the working of the internet. Some of the essential applications of the internet are listed below: file sharing, downloading media files and software, sending and receiving emails, browsing any information, using social media platforms, forums and communities, e-commerce, bill payments, online purchasing of food and medicine, voice calls, video conferencing and chatting with friends, family members and colleagues. Advantages of the internet. Few advantages of the internet are listed below. The internet establishes a network of devices from different locations all around the world. It allows people to communicate easily from any location worldwide. The internet is helping people to get information easily on different topics. It keeps the people updated on what's happening worldwide with the latest news and technologies. It connects people through communities, forums, social networking sites and helps them work together digitally. The internet has made selling and purchasing of products and services easier. The internet is the best platform for people to show their talent such as singing, dancing, and drawing, etc. Similarities in internet and intranet. Intranet uses the internet protocols such as TCP or IP and FTP. Intranet sites are accessible via web browser in similar way as websites in internet, but only members of intranet network can access intranet hosted sites. In intranet, all instant messengers can be used as similar to Yahoo Messenger or GTAT over the internet. Differences in internet and intranet. Internet is general to PCs all over the world, where intranet is specific to few PCs. Internet is wider access and provides a better access to websites to large population, whereas intranet is restricted. Internet is not as safe as intranet, as intranet can be safely privatized as per the need. Dear students, today we are discussing about what is computer network, hub, router, switch, wireless bridge, and the types of network, and what is internet, and what is the intranet, and their usages. I hope you enjoy my lecture. Thank you.